Melanie Joyce Key, tell us about yourself, woman.
This is my beard.
Ah, sexy.
Yes. My name is Mr. Harvey. That's what everyone calls me. No. This is a candy cane. Watermelon. Whitney's favorite. You know, because she's black. You know, that's Whitney. There's Whitney right there. No. Okay. That's green.
I'm right.
And if I say I have new shoes. They look like clown feet. I have clown feet. That's my cat. That's my hat. Oh, that's purple hat. Oh, and blue and orange.
Diarrhea?
Yeah.
That's a black guy. I'm gonna talk to him.
And that's Sam. And that's Event Sevenfold.
And that's what?
Event Sevenfold. And that's Armani. And that's Julia. And
That's my crap. Where the heck is my comment? Oh, you cannot.
And that's Whitney. And that's Danielle, I think. And that's Nadira. And that's Brianna.
I have no respect.
That's Kareem. And that's Nicole. And that's Nita. Some other people I don't know. See, I know everybody.
Thank you for talking to us. Have a good day.